Hello everybody, it's TT Showbiz here. The extra T stands for extra talent, and I am joined yet again with two of my best friends, Huffman and Rev.
Ayo.
That's Huffman.
Ayo.
And that's Rev. So Min just came out, and if you guys have not played her yet, she is legit like bae, and also she plays really like uniquely. So we're actually gonna be playing some Min trios, and then some Min duos, and then some like, I don't know, whatever else. We're gonna make it fun for you guys.
See, you say she plays unique, and to me, I hear that as like, I'm not gonna be able to play her at all, because I feel like I'm always stuck in a like certain.
Nah, dude, just clicky clacky.
Yeah, you know what? You're right. You're right.
That was chunky.
Dude, that was chunky. Big chunkus.
Did you just reference a meme from 2018?
Oh my goodness.
You're getting bodied.
Oi. Jump. Wait, what? Stage hazards are off.
Yeah, I realized that. We were supposed to turn them on.
Wait, I turned them on.
I don't think you saved it. You probably just exited
Oh,
out.
I did
Well,
exit
you
out.
changed the name though, didn't you? To turn them in?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, then I don't know what's wrong.
Muy interesante. You're not gonna get me. He proceeds to get me. Dang it.
Min can recover from so low.
But not like horizontal.
Like, I can air
Yeah.
dodge right here and just still be fine.
Oh,
Top
okay.
10 anime betrayals of all time.
It has
this
to
is
like
lit.
turn on, I guess.
Huh.
What? No. Also, that can kill people.
That's really hype.
I keep putting an attack instead of jumping. It's not that hard.
Also, can we talk
Oh,
about
okay.
how
It's
big
only the
up
one
smash
that's.
is?
I mean, everything is big and
Yeah.
awesome. Also,
got
I have
one.
not been thinking at all this game.
Legit.
I've legit just been like clicking.
Literally.
The Min way.
Actually mashing.
Yeah, actually mashing.
Bro, we are actually
I'm
mad.
We are
actually mashing.
actually mashing.
Are you mashing? No, I'm actually
I
mashing.
love this. This is degenerate.
It is.
Don't say that.
Until
it's gonna
I
make me
do
feel
that.
bad.
Ugh.
Yo, imagine being
Dude.
Min and being taken from a subpar fighting game and being put in a.
Yeah, I was
For
just thinking
real.
about how crazy Smash is compared to other fighting games, and like you know how most fighting games have multiple lives or whatever, but like it's different games. Like you
I
have to
can't think
play
of it.
3 separate games.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty-
I know what
Yeah.
you're talking about now.
Yeah, but Smash is like all in the same game, and then yeah, it's just like you got. Oh my goodness, I couldn't recover from that. Wow, buff Min, dude.
Yeah, like
They're
I
really not
was
treating this character with love.
legit. I was saying before, it's absolutely disgusting that they did not buff Min in this new patch.
Yeah.
That awkward moment when you're not using the giant soccer ball hammer thing.
Nah,
I
dude,
forgot how to.
this
I
dragon
forgot how
thing
to switch.
Down B.
Down B.
Oh my goodness, guys,
Oh.
calm down.
You could do some crazy doubles things with Min.
Yeah, dude. Oh, what am I doing? I gotta shoot both ways at the same time. Whee!
Oh shoot!
Oh, I
I'm
thought
looking
I
at
was
the wrong
on this
Min.
stage.
Yeah, I thought I was on the stage.
Yeah, no, I
No.
thought I was
Oh,
you, Andrew. Also,
nice.
I looked, my guy's
I
just.
found a trampoline.
Lit.
What?
pretty
Oh
sick.
goodness!
What?
That is so strong.
Oh, this is
Strong.
probably what was happening. Okay.
Imagine being
Good
awful
game.
at Smash.
Yeah.
Good game. Good
Can't
game.
Dude, I like playing Min, but I feel like in the like
That's
Smash,
clean, by the way.
it
That's
is-
a really
That's
cool
very
win
clean.
screen.
yeah.
That I think that's lifted from the original game too, if I
and
remember
then
correctly.
the music is lit too. Like
I love her wind
music.
Yeah.
Look at the top
Winter
of the
green.
screen. It's like, mm.
Okay. Who chose this stage? Why?
I did.
Yo,
No.
platform.
Okay. Oh yeah, you guys like both being hit? Because that's what I'm doing with...
Don't mind me as I attack you from across the stage.
Watch me...
Ooh,
Oh, wait.
that was good, Drew.
Wait. Dang it, I gotta get back on the stage before I can make the joke. Now watch me...
Don't
the
make
joke
that
is
joke. I
ruined.
heard the first part of it. It's not worth it.
Now watch me tilt. Now watch me retreat.
Okay,
Now watch me
that's kind of
tilt.
worth it.
Tilt. Watch me retreat.
Okay.
Hey! This is Min 101. Also back.
Yo, I just realized Min
that's
is high
so-
tier because it's so easy to pop the balloon as I missed the balloon. That is disgusting.
Dude, the tilts are her aerials are weird. Like you can
Very.
fast fall with them, but like they like stay in the same place almost. Also, I'm using the ring arm. Ew.
Rip. I'm also using the ring arm.
Dude, being able to see like Sakurai's house was such a treat.
Right?
Oh snap! big
Imagine
flash.
watching the
Nintendo
gameplay trailer.
Direct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh goodness.
Can't relate. Yo, redemption.
Oh nope. Let's go. Dash attack.
Kill this guy.
Oh
Let's
goodness. Dude, the best
Let's
online
go.
is when you charge a forward smash in the opposite direction and then just do it in both directions and they do not see it coming at all.
Yeah.
The thing about Min Min, you have to commit.
That's true though.
Like
You do.
once you like do the two arms or whatever, like there's no doing anything else. Also, her roll get up is really weird.
I'd like to point out
all
now
of their
that
get-ups
this
are
like
weird.
thunder ball thing is in the game, no one is allowed to complain about Hero anymore.
What? It's not giving him like, it's not giving her like, you know, being big. I don't know how to say it. A mushroom basically. Ooh.
No, I was
wow.
talking about side B with Hero
Oh, okay.
Oh,
because
okay.
it's like the same thing.
Yeah, it's a lot more practical actually. It's better. You
I don't
can
know about
manage
that
Hero.
because side B on Hero is pretty spammable.
Oh, and then the up B on the ground.
I love the up B on
Yeah.
the ground.
Up B to
I
down
didn't know it
air.
was
Can't wait
different.
to like
Yeah,
get a kill like
that's
that.
why you watch the gameplay.
No, because I'm not a loser who
Does
watches
anyone
Nintendo
know
Directs.
how to charge up the dragon?
I'm just
fist?
kidding. Don't get mad at
You
me.
have to get a grab. Oh my
That's it?
goodness. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I died again. Ew. Oh, I have one more style. Oh no, not that.
This is probably the best our commentary is going to be this entire video because no one has any idea what's going on.
That's true.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, if you guys haven't played Min Min, it's so weird because like you use A and B, like there's no specials. Oh my goodness. Nope. Let's go!
Okay.
That strong
I
arm.
did not see that coming yet.
Yeah. Oh snap.
Cleanliness intensifies.
Dude, how is a personified ramen bowl so cute?
Why do you just say
You're
after
tempting me.
every
You're tempting me.
character?
Why do you say the most cursed things in every scenario?
Is this good commentary? Actually, they're all good skins.
You're right.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
And then we'll do some 1v1s, you know, show you guys some up close and personal content, you know, get a good feel for Min Min, like really get to see, like, you know, smell what the Min Min is cooking, you know.
Cringe. Smell what the Min Min is cooking. I'm not
Make it a
letting go of
thing.
that. I'm not
Make it a
letting go of
thing.
that.
Oh, snap. Honestly, this ring is really good. I wish I knew how to use it. I feel like once the meta advances
At
with
Min
Min
Min.
Min, like she's gonna, the ring is gonna be a lot more important.
Yeah.
I agree.
Because the ball is fun and it's like really good, but like the ring is...
Hey, trampoline.
Oh,
Still
let's
can't land
go!
on trampoline game.
I won that exchange. I won that stop. Also, down tilt to up smash, as far as I can tell.
Oh wow. Yeah. it
At
is.
like pretty decently high percent. If
Get me
you get
out.
stuck in the
Get me
middle of
out.
two min-mins
Yeah,
and
that's
a min-min
literally-
trio, you're dead. Unless you do this. Oh, damn. Unless you do... Dang it! Yeah, you done. You just done. Also, I want to learn how to do the aerials with like... Because I always accidentally just try to smash. Also, that thing on top is such a fun way to kill people. Like
Yeah.
that.
Legit
Exhibit
though.
A. I was really hoping that'd send you in the text situation. That's what it's called.
Ooh.
Oh,
That's
how's it
crazy.
feel to die?
Face him as 2 stocks.
Oh no.
Keep him in the middle.
Honestly, Rev, that's why you're low tier at Smash. Because you're that guy that says someone has 2 stocks.
Yeah, literally cursed above everything else in this game.
Above all livestock.
Cursed above all livestock, and above all beasts.
Of all livestock.
Oh, Rev, I thought about saucing on you, but I don't know if I could win with that stock exchange. Oh my
Whoa.
goodness. Dude, her up air is not good.
I love using the chunky nair.
Yeah, it packs a punch. Ooh. That dash attack is crazy though. It's like wolf level dash.
That's true. You can literally string it into itself sometimes.
Give me that laser. Give me that laser.
Ah, no.
Oh
No!
no! Oh no!
Yikes.
Air dodge! Oh, that caught that air dodge so hard. And now you can see some real clicky clacky. Oh my goodness. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness,
It's
this laser
oppressive.
is oppressive.
I feel like that arm is definitely gonna be like one you have to have.
Well, it's
always
your right
do.
arm.
Oh, you always have it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am so confused as how this character plays. And I've played him for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, your A is always the dragon. B, you can switch between whatever. So
I
you
could
can
have sworn I was
Oh my
switching that
goodness.
bad boy up.
Oh! Let's go!
You.
No!
Ooh, I thought I had you. Oh man. Oh, thank goodness that would have killed me.
No, I'm using the ring.
Yeah, I know. If you had the big ball,
Oh.
shit, that would have killed. Big ball. Big ball, boy. No. Big. Oh.
Oh, I thought you were done.
See, I'm telling you.
Oh. I would pull a Sakurai and just click it back.
Just down.
Oh,
Whoa,
yeah.
that's crazy.
Okay. No. No, I'm recovering. I'm recovering. Oof! Oh! Let's go!
Leave me alone.
Mmm. No, 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 no!
Nice.
Ooh. Oh my goodness!
That up tier is powerful. Well, I guess you're. Yeah, 160.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Let's go! My arm is
Wow.
longer than yours! This is what you guys have to look forward to.
Wow.
Honestly though, on a serious note, Min Min is definitely gonna shake up the meta.
I feel like Min Min is going to become a very annoying character, kind of like Sonic. That's a hot take.
I don't think it's gonna be
Especially
annoying
online.
in the same way though.
Yeah, annoying in a different way,
Yeah.
where people just stand back and spam smash attacks.
Tournament.
Turn him in.
Turn him in.
Turn him.
Turn him man. Turn him in, man. Okay, Andrew, can you provide us with some commentary?
Yes, the Min Min stands back and she uses a smash attack, and the Min Min on the right uses a smash. It's
Oh
funny
my
because that's not what's
goodness.
happening. But,
Oh, I'm being oppressed.
ooh, he is being oppressed.
Ah.
He is kind of being oppressed though.
We're literally fighting from across the stage, and I love it.
Yeah, me too.
No
Double
other character is
dash
going to
attack.
love this.
Hey, you want to see me walk while tilting?
For real, just approaching like that
Oh,
is
yeah.
so scary.
Legit though.
Dude, Min Min can turn the battle around at any time just because she's such a zoner. Oh, yeah.
Or you gotta use smash attack.
Her smash, the projectile on her smash attack is crazy.
It actually is, though.
Yeah,
Oh!
I didn't realize you could tilt it up and down for the longest time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you
Longest
can
time
tilt
as
the
in 20
laser
minutes.
in that
Yeah.
individually.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, I guess it's faithful to the source material, but I mean,
Min Min
It's
is
crazy.
actually OP. Like, in her own unique way that makes her not OP. Oh my goodness!
Read that air dead.
Well, I read that jump. And I read that shield.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Let's
the
go.
double.
get that parry, get that parry.
Wow.
What?
The dragon
Ooh.
kills way early, honestly.
It does.
You don't even need...
Let's go.
Yeah.
Like it's almost
No, I
like
down smashed.
it's almost like the other arm can be used to like set up for the dragon. Like maybe that's a potential viable way
Oh,
to play this
yeah.
character.
Oh, you can. Yeah, you can like do double arm combos off stage.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh my goodness.
it's gonna be interesting because I feel like
Let's go.
Nice.
literally no one
Nice.
knows how to play this character.
No. This came out today.
Yeah, legit.
Oh my goodness, dude. I just have so much fun playing.
That's good.
I don't,
I'm glad you for one can have fun playing this character.
I don't know. I'm not gonna put a ton at a time, like main, but like
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna play her.
I'm definitely gonna need more time with her because I like that she's in Smash for now at least. But I don't know if she's for
Oh
me.
my goodness. Yeah,
That's true for a long time.
Oh my
Shoot.
goodness. Let's go.
She doesn't even have
Why
to
does the
read
roll
those
always
rolls.
work?
She can just.
Because it doesn't have very long hitbox. Yeah, she
Oh,
can just
shoot.
clicky clacky through it. Oh no, he double jumped.
Ooh.
Come on, survive. Let's go. We live in.
Her edge guards.
Oh
are
my God.
I don't want to talk
safe.
about that.
Yeah, for real though. If you just edge guard from not on the stage and then just like punish the mess out of stuff.
Legit.
Especially if you use the ring one.
Oh my goodness. It's so intimidating that just walk while tilting. Oof.
It's like a Western standoff type thing where you like,
Yikes.
this town
dang
ain't
it.
big
Up
enough
smash
for
is
the
really
both of
good,
us.
It is.
I was gonna make a Min pun, but I couldn't think of one, so I just said the phrase. I guess that's how
This
it goes with
bowl
on
ain't
the
big
fly
enough for the
commentary.
most of us.
What'd you say?
I said this bowl ain't big enough for the both of us.
This bowl?
Yeah, because she's ramen.
Whoa, I
To
could
come.
attack.
Yeah,
Ramen.
tech those. Ramen min?
Ramen
Question
min
mark?
min?
It's not good.
This blessed commentary.
For real though. Oh snap! Is that a min at 73%?
Okay, time to bring out the Buster Ball.
Oh my goodness! Are you saying that because of Terry?
No.
Buster
No, I'm not.
Wolf?
No, I said Buster Ball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking.
No. No, I'm not.
It was not in reference to Terry in any way. Is that? Can we be clear on that?
Yes. Okay. Honestly, I need you to sign some papers.
Yeah.
I'm not sure yet. You are
Honestly,
going to die.
This really needs to be-
No! No, that arm is so slow. Let's go.
Oh, that was
Oh.
just
Ooh.
inches away from that.
Oh my goodness.
Honestly,
Oh wait, this is last stop.
I don't even know how to commentate
Whoa.
on this fight because everything is unprecedented
In these unprecedented times.
in these unprecedented times. Nintendo releases a character that has range.
Oh.
I had that.
Literally Marth
really
grab
bad.
range on every attack.
Oh. No. No, I'm dead. I'm literally dead.
Let's go.
Bruh, this recovery.
You got an air dodge.
It's
Can
her
we call
jump
that?
It's her
Can we
jump
call
that-
that a moment?
That's a new windscreen. Red and black versus black and red.
Oh.
Checkers
Well, more like yellow and black.
Honestly though, they all look good. So
Yeah, they do.
for sure.
I'm more of a fan of the white and red. And like yellow is just consistent. I don't even like yellow as a color, but like it just works. I don't know. Maybe it's just the color combos. Nintendo, oh my goodness, we are seeing absolute domination from red.
Don't bring that back. Don't bring that back. Don't bring that back.
Dude, that's a great meme.
Ooh, okay.
I feel like high-level Min play is definitely gonna be marked by like being able to switch arms efficiently
Oh yeah.
and
Yeah.
figuring out how to do that.
Oh,
Oh shoot.
Wow.
air dodge. Oh, you're dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's Min Min's taunts? I haven't even looked at
They're
it.
Oh,
not
yeah.
that great.
That was. And that's just her windscreen.
Oh, I like this one. It's like Diddy
Yeah.
Kong.
Wow.
Okay.
That was a low blow.
Honestly,
sorry.
Kirkland
honestly, I
catching-
thought we had respect for each other. In this
Apparently
establishment.
not.
You know, times have really changed.
Honestly, if you drop down in air, it really messes with them.
Yeah, it does.
Don't tell him that.
You
That's
guys
secret
both
info.
can do
That's
it.
secret info.
You guys are just gonna
Don't
keep
tell him
trying
that.
to do it and keep going right past each other.
Ooh.
Ref switches arms to the
I was
big
honestly
ball.
trying-
He's kind of switching arms though.
Honestly, another thing is gonna come down to being able to use her aerials effectively, like with the big fat arm,
Yeah.
because it's really hard to. And that forward smash from the big ball arm will take.
Can
the
you call
side.
that a forward smash? Because it was.
It
Is
was a
that
forward
technically a forward smash?
smash. Did you do it in the air?
No, but I did it with the B button.
It's still
Yeah.
a forward smash. It's just the B forward smash.
It's a special.
Would that be
forward
side?
smash. You
Yeah.
could almost call it a special forward.
Just like
smash.
Terry has 5 specials, Min, I like how they're playing with the button inputs.
I agree.
Because that's something that you haven't really seen with any other characters. But
Yeah.
Terry and Min. Oh, and that Gimp will
Yep, that's it.
take the game. Wow.
Oh, her T-bag is great because like the arms just kind of like flop behind.
She's flying. Now Hoffman gets to fight me.
Okay, okay.
We're gonna battle this out as Min. No.
Min.
We're gonna battle this out as Min. Also, in retrospect, like when you look back on these videos, our commentary is actually pretty decent. It's fun.
Thank
It's
you.
entertaining. Yeah, it's entertaining.
Yeah, but I don't know. Back to that like professional thing. I feel like PewDiePie just sits in front of the camera and makes videos.
You're so right.
He's also.
I mean, I love PewDiePie, but
Oh.
Yes.
Huffman, are you feeling the pressure?
Yeah,
Oh goodness. As soon as I say that, he turns me on. Also, it's super hard to sync our voices on this since there's like no implications. Like, you know, it's pretty random. That's true. And so it could be super good. Oh my goodness, that ring is aggressive.
does the ring auto target?
Oh.
You tilt shoot. You gotta air dodge immediately.
Yeah, you do. You don't air that. Do not recover it. Ooh. Let me get that power up dragon arm.
What? Powered up? How do you power it up?
Grab.
What?
Oh, let's go.
Why do
Yeah.
you not tell me these things, Nintendo?
They do.
They did in the Nintendo Direct. That you
No one
called
watches the
people
Nintendo
nerds
Direct.
for watching.
Nerds watch the Nintendo Direct. This is a lack of communication that I'm not.
Let's go. Dude,
Oh,
is that not
shit.
crazy?
That's lit.
Dude, that range is absolutely insane.
His up smash. Her up smash.
Oh, let's go. Nope.
Yeah, dude, you need to curve the ring like underneath the ledge. It's crazy.
I'm
I
still
feel
getting
like
used to this
Min
curve.
Dittos are different than like any Ditto. Like, there's no Dittos that will look like
This is very true. This looks like a completely different game.
that. Yeah, for real. It looks like ARMS, TV ARMS.
That's very true.
I'm super impressed with how they do it. Like, props, hats off to them.
For real.
I don't think she is very good.
I don't know. What do you call it? They, everyone was so disappointed when they saw, like, when this character came out. It's like, okay. Yeah, I can buy it.
For real.
Let's go. GG's.
What is happening?
Oh, I'm sorry.
How do you keep powering these
Ah,
up?
I'm just holding.
No, but yours is all.
If you hold it really hard.
Oh.
Okay, I'm switching.
I always call it the ring being like this is not.
I know wing things are.
Yeah.
Slide and up smash. True combo. True combo for sure.
And if you don't go for the down air, just respect you're not a
Okay.
Well, I'm not a minion, but I can. Oh goodness.
I wanted it.
Let's go back throw for that meaty damage. Dude, it does like 17%. It might actually do 20. Let's see. We're about to see in post. No! Get the grab.
Wow.
Let's
Oh,
go! Dude, I survived too.
I was not ready for that tech at all.
Dude, I told you down in disrespect. I'm in emotional. So as you guys can see, Min is pretty lit. I'm gonna have a ton of fun with this character. I hope you guys watching get to play the DLC and have fun with it too. But yeah, I guess our first impressions, my first impression is that Min is a lot of fun. Yeah.
I think she could be a very annoying character in competitive Smash, but I mean, it's really too early to tell a lot of that. So, I mean, I guess we'll see as time goes on, tournament results come in.
I love seeing how like people stop you from getting in on above Min. That's always cool to see how people adapt that way. But once I heard about the Falco buffs, I honestly didn't care about Min at all anymore.
Okay,
Thank
you
you
guys
everybody for watching. It's been a great time.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, like and subscribe to the channel, join, become a member, do
Don't
all that kind of
forget to
stuff.
hit the bell.
Yes,
Yeah.
bell.
That bell. Hit
Slap
the
that bell,
poke the
smash
bell,
like,
whatever you want
all
to
that
do
good
with the bell.
stuff. And honestly, leave
Don't
me a
get too
comment.
crazy with the bell, though. She's
The
a
bell
bit shy.
does have feelings.
No, for real though. Comment and I will respond because like I don't have that many comments and it's not like I have anything better to do.
Don't forget to go to patreon.com/ttshowbiz.
I do not have a
For
Patreon.
OnlyFans?
OnlyFans.
No.
I do have an OnlyFans.
No.
All right, you guys have a good day, and as always, I still haven't thought of my as always from last video. So I will think of an as always. Next video we'll have an as always. But for now, as always.
Dun 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 dun. Ba 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 ba.